Welcome to Science Academy, Tritol. Dear students, Science Academy has been imparting online coaching to help you during this pandemic lockdown and shutdown periods. Today, I shall teach you an essay, my greatest Olympic prize, my greatest Olympic prize by Jesse Owens, In this essay, the writer Jesse Owens has depicted his experience that he gained from the Olympic Games he had taken part in Berlin. Jesse Owens was an American field and track athlete. He participated in the Olympic Games of 1936 Summer Olympic Games held in Berlin. How he confronted the field and his contestants and won gold medal in long jump. Before teaching you the essay regarding my greatest Olympic prize, I am telling you something regarding Olympic Games. What is Olympic Games? Dear students, you take part in different kinds of games and sports, but Olympic Games is a special games which is being done twice in a year, Summer Olympic Games and Winter Olympic Games. Here, the writer Jesse Owens has described his own experience he gained in his participation in the Olympic Games of 1936 held in Berlin. Okay, Olympic Games is the world's foremost sports competition featuring summer and winter sports in which athletes from all over the world participate in variety of competitions, and the performer who performs the best is rewarded prize like gold medal to encourage them. Really, game or sports are such fields where a participants meet different kinds of friends, situations, and interpret his feelings with others, and really games or sports is such a field where he learns how to interact with others. Wishing this, the founder of Olympic Games had organized the games where players from all over the world participate in these games and they are rewarded prize. In this essay, Jesse Owens describes his Olympics participation held in the year 1936. My greatest Olympic prize. He says the Olympic prize was the greatest prize in his life. Why he says my greatest Olympic prize? Dear students, when you get a prize, what do you feel? How do you feel? Really, prize or certificates are offered or awarded to the students to encourage them how to confront or how to fight in their next time. And it prize or certificates, prize or gifts encourage a student or encourage a participant to do best in future. So here Jesse Owens had been awarded gold medal, and doing his hard labor, taking part or facing a keen competition in the Olympic Games, he won the prize. So he says, my greatest Olympic prize. So here for this, as he had confronted a lot of problems and he had trained, sweated, disciplined for 6 years with the games in mind and won the medal. For this, he says, my greatest Olympic prize. Okay, come to our topic. It was the summer of 1936. The Olympic Games were being held in Berlin. It was 1936. Jesse Owens took part in the Olympic Games, which were being held in Berlin. In that time, Hitler, you must have heard the name of Hitler, the dictators of Germany. In that time, Hitler was the ruler of Germany. He declared that his performers were members of a master race. What did he declare? Hitler declared that his performers were members of a master race. When their leader or the head of the country, head of the ruler or the chief of the country declared that his performers were members of a master race, all the players of German, they became highly excited in nationalistic feelings. So automatically nationalistic feelings were at all-time high. Why were nationalistic feelings high? Because nationalistic feelings were high as declared that his performers were members of a master race. But here when says that I was not too worried about all this, I was not too much worried about all this. Here all this refers to the nationalistic feelings of the players of Germany. When Hitler declared that his performers were members of a master race, automatically the German performers became highly excited, and observing their excitement, Jesse Owens was mentally discouraged. He felt discouraged because it was a foreign field and the leader of their country is declaring that his performers are the members of a master race. So he felt discouraged, but he was not worried about all this. Here all this refers to the nationalistic feelings of the German players. Why he was not worried? Because he had trained, sweated and disciplined for 6 years with the games in mind. Dear students, suppose you know how to ride bicycle perfectly. If you are given a chance to give the bicycle in a crowded street, you can ride it because you have confidence. Suppose you have prepared yourself properly and you are going to face your examination. You have courage, you have confidence enough to face all the questions because you have gone through the topic. So, as once hard trained, suited and disciplined for 6 years with the games in mind, he was not worried about the nationalistic feelings. Then, when he was studying in university, he had set the world record of 26 feet 80.1 by 4 inches, setting the world record. When he was a university student, he set the world record of 26 feet 8.14 inches. So every kind of expected him to win that Olympic events hands down. He performed the best in his university. He had set the world record of 26 feet 8.4 inches in long jump. So everybody expected him to win that Olympic events hands down. Okay, but I was in for a surprise. He was in surprise because when the time came for the long jump trials, I was startled to see a tall boy hitting the pit at almost 26 feet on his practice leaps. What happened? When time came for the trial, he saw a tall boy hitting the pit 26 feet on his practice leaps. And secondly, he was told that the boy hitting the pit 26 feet in his practice leap was a supporter of Hitler. That means Hitler had kept him under wraps. So he felt nervous. He became nervous because the leader of the country, Hitler, had kept him under his wrap, and he was an American. So he thought that the tall boy hitting the pit must win the gold medal. So he felt nervous. I was told that Hitler had kept him under wraps, evidently hoping he will win the jump. Really, when he saw or came to know that Hitler had kept the tall boy hitting the pit 26 feet in his practice leaps is supported by Hitler, he felt nervous. But he had courage and confidence enough to confront the situation. He supposed, if long on, who supposed? Jesse Owens supposed that if long on, it would add some new support to the Nazis' Aryan superiority theory. Nazis Aryan superiority theory. It means the Aryan superiority theory means who are Aryans are superior to all other peoples. The Nazis' Aryan superiority theory refers to the fact that the Aryans are superior to all other people, which encourage the player to perform better in the field, and for this nationalistic feelings were high. So Jesse Owens promised, he determined to beat Lou Zhang and show the Aryans who feel superior that who is superior and who is not. I determined to go out there and really show Der Führer. Der Führer means Hitler. Der Führer. Here, Der Führer, the leader in German, referred to Hitler. Der Führer means Hitler. Jesse Owens promised to go out and show the Der Führer, who said the performers of German are members of a master race. Okay, Hitler declared that his performers were members of a master race. For this, there were nationalistic feelings, and he means the writer Jesse Owens saw that Hitler had kept the tall boy hitting the pit 26 feet in his practice leave was supported by Hitler. So he determined to go out there and really show Der Führer and his master race who was superior and who was not. Dear students, Jesse Owens confronted the situation with much courage and confidence and defeated to his enemies and won the gold medal. In the next class, we will discuss elaborately regarding how Jesse Owens faced the situation and won gold medal. Here I am giving you some questions. Write down the questions and try to answer them. Question 1. When and where? When and where? Question 1. When and where the Olympic Games being held? Question 2. What did Hitler declare? What did Hitler declare? Question 3. Why were nationalistic feelings high during the 1936 Summer Olympic Games. Summer Olympic Games. Question 4. Why was North Wales worried? Why was North Wales worried? Question 5. Why did everyone expect that Wales would win the gold medal? These are the 5 questions. After watching this video, try to answer these questions so that you can answer these questions if you face them in your council examinations. In my next class, I shall teach you Unity 2. Dear student, watch my video regularly and learn how to prepare yourself from the topic My Greatest Olympic Prize, which will help you to write the answers in your council examination. And then I shall teach you your grammar, report writing and others. Thanking all of you, your Santosh sir.